Emma Pro Investment Insights App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Emma Pro is a financial insights app designed for investors who want real-time data, portfolio tracking and market analysis at their fingertips. Many people assume professional investment tools like this are complicated or outrageously expensive, but Emma Pro aims to balance affordability with powerful features. The app offers a free tier where users can link accounts, monitor balances, and track basic investment performance. For those seeking advanced analytics, Emma Pro Premium costs $99 per month or $99 annually. This unlocks features like portfolio performance projections, in-depth market insights, risk analysis, and customizable alerts for price movements or news events. Most people get this wrong by thinking the free tier isn't useful. In reality, even free users can monitor investment accounts, categorize assets, and receive notifications for key account activity. Premium is designed for active investors who want detailed insights and automated tracking of their portfolios. The surprising truth is that Emma Pro goes beyond simple tracking. The app provides actionable recommendations based on market trends, helping investors make more informed decisions. For example, it can highlight overexposed sectors in your portfolio or suggest adjustments to balance risk. In conclusion, Emma Pro pricing is transparent and tailored to your investing goals. Whether you stick with the free version or opt for premium, the app gives you tools to monitor your finances, analyze investments, and make smarter, data-driven decisions. With its combination of affordability and functionality, Emma Pro can be a valuable asset for both new and experienced investors.